All right, we're doing an assessment repair for Miss Simmons over here in Hickson, Chattanooga. We're going to be replacing this assessment shingle. Because it is an assessment repair, we're just going to slide this shingle right back in, not going to replace the shingle itself. We're using that roof snake that's required by the insurance carriers. In addition to that, we're going to keep the shingles below 45-degree angle, so my cameraman over here is really good to focus on this area where we're not, uplifting that shingle, causing it to go over that recommended degree. All right, so on this shingle right here, we can see we've got hinging across the top already. So that shingle's starting to give out. It'll mark that one as failed. We've also got the same thing on the shingle right here, number 3, hinging across the top. So obviously that shingle's starting to fail as well. All right, we'll go ahead and put everything back in. Not the nail going in my cut. Dang. All right, now that we're through, I'm gonna cast a shadow up here. It'd be great. You can see that this shingle is just